Hello everyone, welcome back to DnCAD. If you know Autodesk Revit and still not earning from it, then you are missing a huge opportunity. Because today, Revit is not just a software, it's a money making skill in the BIM industry. In this video, I'll show you 6 practical ways to earn money using Revit based on a real industry demand. Number 1 is freelancing. The fastest way to start earning is freelancing. You can work with a client globally on the platform like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. What services you can offer? You can offer like a CAD to beam conversion, Revit modeling, a level of detailing 200 to 400, shop drawings and detailings. Start with a small projects, build portfolio, then increase your rates. Number 2, BIM consulting. If you have strong experience, go for consulting. Many companies struggle with BIM implementation, clash detection, project setup and standards. You can charge hourly 1000 to 5000 per hour, or you can charge per project. This is a high income work with less competition. Number 3, teaching and training. Teaching is one of the most scalable income sources. If you can start offline training, or you can offer one-to-one mentorship, create online courses. You can use a platform like a YouTube like this or Udemy, Skillshare. Number 4, content creation. Create a Revit content and build a personal brand. Type of a content like a tutorials, site problems and BIM solutions, tips and shortcuts. Income sources will be your the YouTube ads, sponsorships, affiliate tools. Your consistency will be a long-term passive income. Number 5, job opportunities. Revit professionals are in high demand in architectural firms, construction companies, and infrastructure projects. Most of the companies are looking for the BIM engineers, Revit modelers, and coordinators. If you want a strong income, this is a strong option. Number 6, you can start your own business. This is the ultimate goal. You can start your own company like a beam services, drafting company, scan to beam company, which is currently in high demand. The services you can offer is a 3D modeling, quantity takeoff, clash detections, and shop drawings. So these are 6 powerful ways to earn money using Revit. You don't need all 6. Start with one, master it, then scale. Revit is not just a skill, it's your career plus business opportunity. If you found this video helpful, like, comment your current level in Revit, subscribe the DnCAD for more BIM contents, and if you want to start freelancing or a BIM business, I'll help you in upcoming videos. See you in the next one.